All right, welcome to module number 4. This is where we're going to draft your articles of incorporation or LLC. Draft the business articles right here. Here's some information to go over. I'll go ahead and read it for you. For businesses that want to incorporate, requirements for forming and operating a corporation are governed by state law. File the business articles of incorporation. Incorporate your business or form your LLC with your state. And where you do this at is your Secretary of State. Go to google.com and you can do this absolutely online. Go to google.com. Let's say you live in Georgia, type in Georgia Secretary of State. And they'll give you that link, and you want to go there and to the corporation divisions. You'll be able to start a corporation, the LLC, right there. If you live in Ohio, just type in Ohio Secretary of State, and it'll send you straight to your Secretary of State's web address, and you can start your corporation right then and there. Forming a business as a corporation or LLC helps to protect the owner's personal assets from the debts and the liabilities of the business. There are also other advantages to forming a corporation or LLC, including certain tax advantages and establishing credibility for your new business that potential customers, vendors, employees, and partners. Right here, once you file this is going to be a separate entity from yourself. This is just like a separate person. This business is separate from you. It has its own credit file and everything. Starter vendors will do checks for you for your corporate status with the Secretary of State's office in the state of incorporation. So whenever you go to apply for credit, they're gonna all they have to do is go to the Secretary of State, make sure that you are a legit corporation or LLC, and they also want to see if, what your status is. If a vendor cannot find your corporation or LLC on file, or if your status is inactive, active or dissolved, or if the address that you gave to Duns and Bradstreet and you put on the application does not match the Secretary of State's information, you will be denied. So you got to follow these steps just like we gave out. They're very easy. But right now you should have went through step 1, 2, 3, and right here you need to go ahead and do your articles of incorporation. And congratulations. I'll see you on the next module.